All right, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar and to a beautiful, kind of laid-back song from JXDN. It's called BACCARAT. All right, so this song is based upon picking patterns only, so we're going to look at that. So yeah, let's dive into this one without any capo, and we have 5 different patterns to handle here. So let's go into them, and they're of course based upon chords and grips. So we're going to look on each one of them, starting with the C major 7. So what you need to hold here is this grip, 3rd fret on A string and 2nd on D. All right, that is the C major chord. So you're going to play this pattern. All right, so that is 3rd on A string, open B, open G, 2nd D, then open B again, open G, and 2nd D. So slowly, it goes like this. All right, and then we have the F major 7. And what you're going to do here is to play the first version of it, all right? We have 2 versions of the F major. I'm going to come to that soon. This is the first one. Okay, so that is F1. That is what I'm going to name it here for this specific tutorial. So F1 goes 3rd on D string, 1st on B, 2nd on G, and 3rd on D. Then open E, 1st B, 3rd D, and 1st B. So this is the grip. You're going to hold that in the same way. So 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and 1st B. So slowly it goes like this. All right, that is the F1. The F2, you're going to hold it in the same way. So 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, but you're going to play it differently. You're going to go like this. Okay, so that is 3rd on D, and then 1st B, 2nd G, 3rd D. You repeat that, 1st B, 2nd G, and 3rd D. So slowly, the F2 goes. Right. Then we have the A minor 7 part. You're going to hold the 2nd D string and 1st B. So you're going to play. So that is open A, then 1st B, open G, 2nd D, then again 1st B, open G, and 2nd D. Slowly. And then we have the final chord, that is the G. And what you can do here to hold the chord is just simply to go with the 3rd fret E string. That is the grip here to start with. 3rd fret E string in the bass, and then you will add on the 1st B. So I suggest you do that with ring finger or perhaps middle finger. I think ring finger will be the best suited. So you have a normal stretch down to the 1st B like this. All right, so you're gonna play this part. Okay, so that will be 3rd fret on E string in the bass, then open B, open G, open D, then again open B, open G, open D, and then you add 1st fret B string. That's it. So slowly. All right. So there you have all the tools, the 5 different grips, and basically it's 4 different chords, cause F1 and F2, basically the same chord but different playings there. So anyway, now we have the tools to handle the song, and we're gonna go into the verse play. All right, so this verse play is about 6 different rounds, not different, but 6 rounds in total. So the first 4 rounds is to play the C major 7, for 1 round. Everything else played only for 1 round when it comes to the patterns. So 1 round, everything here. So C major 7, and then F major 7, or the F1, all right? So this part. You're gonna go back and forth between C major and F1 4 rounds. So 1 round will be that is 1 round, so that is 2 rounds. You play for 4 rounds, and we're still in the first verse, and after you play it 4 rounds, you're gonna go to the A minor 7 and play that, and then the F1 back to that one. I'm gonna play that for 2 rounds. So A minor 7, F1, 2 rounds of that goes. And that is the end of the first verse. So total of 6 rounds. The first 4 rounds, C major, F1. And then the next 2 rounds, round 5 and 6, it's A minor and F1. All right. After that first verse comes an instrumental part where you're going to play the C major and F1 for 2 rounds. So and that takes us to the chorus. And the chorus happens about 45 seconds into the song, so you understand where we are. And now you're gonna play the F2 to start with, so that part. Okay, so the chord progression goes F2, G, C major, and A minor. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. And then after these 2 rounds, you're gonna go back to start the 3rd round, okay, with F major, and then you just give 1 kick on the G in the bass string, the 3rd fret E string. So you just start the 3rd round, you play the first F2 chord and then 1 down on G, and that pause means, okay, it's end of the chorus into the 2nd round of everything. So I'm gonna give you these 2 rounds, or actually the full chorus for you, 2 rounds plus the extra start on the 3rd round. It goes like this. And that is the end of the chorus. All right, then into the 2nd round, and I can just mention everything is the same now. The 2nd verse goes in the same 6 rounds, C major F for 4 rounds, and then A minor F for 2 rounds. And then we have the instrumental part played in the exact same way, exact same amount of times or rounds, and the 2nd chorus played in the exact same way, and it ends with that 2nd chorus. So a beautiful laid-back song from JXDN called BACCARAT. If you love these kind of songs, picking pattern songs, or you maybe love JXDN, or perhaps you love Gordon guitar and the content here, then yeah, you have to subscribe to this channel. So smash that button, and I hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.